Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win at life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
Trải nghiệm cách làm nến. Mai sau nếu như em có mở tiệm làm nến thì chắc là em sẽ áp dụng những gì chị Ngọc nói.
Em thấy rất vui ạ, vui khi được tham gia chung với mọi người.
Chương trình hôm nay mình cảm thấy rất là vui và ý nghĩa đấy. Cái mô hình này thì cũng có thể là sẽ giúp được các bạn sinh viên cũng như là một số anh em những ngành nghề nó liên quan đến như kiểu nhà hàng, khách sạn hay các thứ thì mình nghĩ là nó sẽ rất là ok và phù hợp.
Cảm ơn anh rất nhiều.